Dylan steps up to the plate.
You mean the chair?
You need to fix it.
Yeah. Not sure.
Waiting. Do 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 do.
Hey, that's my joke. It actually was. I saw the guy.
Hey, we saw him before you,
You didn't
yo.
make the joke.
Okay, but we saw him before.
I don't like hitting it.
You should have made the joke. It would have been
Hit
funny.
it. Come on, pound it.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's 2 hits.
How's that 2 hits?
Well, that's how many hits you've had. Just telling you.
Oh.
Three.
No, I missed.
No, that happened to me. I barely even touched it and I lost my turn. You had like that jump.
Isn't it my turn? It's my turn. Cause
What
you
are you
skipped me.
doing with the broom I
Guys,
found?
hey, no, it's not. Cause he went
Swear to
without
God,
me.
Max,
He went.
even with the broom I found,
His
I'm
turn
gonna
is
use
after
this
mine.
Oh yeah.
Sledge
Yo,
Hammer.
Guys,
it's
Rich,
good.
it's my turn.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, take the camera. Take the camera.
He's using him with a sledge hammer.
This is how you do it. This is how you work your coins.
Oh my God.
That's a miss.
All right.
It doesn't count.
That's Gabe's 5th miss of the day.
Careful, Gabe, careful. If you miss, it'll keep going and hit your leg. It will. That almost happened immediately there.
No, we need the director commentary.
I was actually using it for something practical, of course. Not like...
Practical.
Yeah, I was actually using it as a...
Oh, dude, the wood. The wood.
Wait, I just want to see something.
The wood.
Yep.
We beat the shit out of the sledgehammer.
Yeah.
He's sitting in the chair and just wants you to go.
You gotta get off. I would swing that at you.
Swing it at me.
You asked. He asked. You got that on tape, right?
Look at that chair. Yeah.
Back up.
Yo, this
The
sledgehammer broke. It broke.
Yeah.
It broke.
I haven't been scared since the last pinata.
Get out of here. It didn't break.
Oh, like move over there. It might.
Yeah, sledgehammer's broken.
Pinatas, geez.
See, Gabe, look.
Just hit it.
Okay.
Damn it, Max, I swear to...
No, just stop. Whatever.
What was that? Oh.
That's 2. Okay.
Sure to God, Max. Throw the sledgehammer at you.
That was weak. Don't hit it like that.
Hey, I'm taking a shot. Gosh.
I'm sure you are.
Hurry up. That's why I'm winning at 6.
That's bullshit.
Get 5.
Let go.
Get 5.
Let go.
5.
Let
Say
go.
5. Say you agree to 5. You agree to 5?
Let go.
Say you agree to 5. Ah, you freaking animal! You're gonna bite me! You animal!
You bite him? You didn't get that on tape?
Nope.
I'll go again.
All right.
Bullshit! That's probably gonna break the
I'm not stuck in there.
Oh shit.
Yeah, Dylan, definitely bring it back with a note that says sorry.
And
No, kick it.
more importantly, look at this jungle back here.
I think it was. Hey!
Go.
Might have been garbage, but it should have been garbage.
3.
You never know with these metal chairs.
Was it on the, on the sign?
4. My ball.
My
ball. My ball. It's his.
Chill. It's mine.
Right now I get sick.
Dylan, chill.
Shut up.
Chill.
I'm just going crazy right now.
Dylan, stop.
Calm down.
Stop,
All right,
God.
one
You
more.
told me to calm down.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get one more. I don't have. Alright, this thing about to freaking break.
Yeah, we know.
Is that hand breaking? Okay.
Yeah, we should stop.
Yeah, we should stop.
Yeah, Max, dude, it's actually like verge of breaking.
I just want one.
No.
No.
Break.
One shot.
See ya.